Alright, so when we get our fill panels on and we're ready to put our rake panels on, we're going to find that same profile in the shake panel, and we're going to measure into our rake channel. Minus a 1/4 inch, just so you don't fight installing that. We're going to measure from our eave to our ridge and write these all down in order. And then we're going to take it over to our cutting station. So we'll have our list here. Find that same profile that we measured from on the roof. Go ahead and mark where that line's going to be. Create a straight line. And then we can go ahead and take it over to our cutter. When we get done cutting that, make sure I just reform my panel. And then once I get all my cuts done, I'll have a stack all in order from the eave to the ridge. We can hand that up on the roof and start installing our rake pieces. Alright, once we've done our filled panels and we're ready to put our rake in, after you're done measuring and cutting your rakes, we'll go ahead and bring our pile that we put in order up to the roof from the eave to the ridge. Go ahead and grab that first panel, place it into the channel, and then we'll just fasten as normal. Getting our fasteners in the bottom and the top of the panel. Go ahead and grab your next panel out of your pile and fasten as normal. Make sure not to put any fasteners in the channel. Keep them all on the outside. Then we'll just keep going, grab our next panel, go ahead and place those into that channel, and fasten as normal all the way up your rake.